Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a hover effect over your buttons and anything else on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the thing you're going to need to do is to actually edit your custom CSS on your website. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into the pages menu, scroll down until you get to website tools. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to see custom CSS. You're going to want to click on that. Now I already have some custom CSS due to a font that I've installed previously, but if I add this over here, as you can see, .sqs block button element hover, and then that's going to change the background of our buttons when we hover over them. So for example, when I save this, as you'll see, when I hover over my button, it changes color into red, and this is exactly how you achieve that hover option. Now, previously there was options for hovering animations in Squarespace 7.0 if I remember correctly. However, those seem to have been removed in Squarespace 7.1, so you're not really that able to hover over things and make them change unless you know how to code your own in CSS. And as you can see, I have just found this over on the internet, and now that has changed my Squarespace appearance of my buttons. Now if I delete this, if I save it, as you'll see, it does have a hover effect which is native to this button, and it is integrated into Squarespace. However, it just goes a bit lighter. However, if I add that code back and save it back, as you'll see, it changes into the red color again. And that is basically how you can enter your hover effects on Squarespace. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.